In this video I'll be showing you how you can use special shape side markings on Geo-Pro to create other shapes such as a golden rectangle and two particular isosceles triangles. First of all, looking at shape 11, we have a 4 by 3 centimetre rectangle. This little mark here with the golden ratio phi symbol indicates where to draw a golden rectangle. So we start at that mark and come around and down to this mark here, and then just move the template up and complete the rectangle. We have a golden rectangle. The measurements are 40 millimeters by, I think that's about 25. If I divide the longer side length, the 40 millimeters, by the shorter side length, 25 millimeters, that actually works out to 1.6, which is pretty close to the 1.618 that is the golden ratio. Now another shape that you can obtain other shapes from is shape number 2. It's an isosceles triangle, but you'll notice there's little side marks here. If I take the first one and I just come up and back to there and complete the shape, that's actually an isosceles triangle of side length 10 millimeters. Similarly, this little mark here, if I go up and back to that mark and complete it, you'll see that that's 20 millimeters.